Hello everyone, I am Ruchi. Welcome to Reckon. I love to teach mathematics, the fun game of numbers. Today I will teach you a lesson on pair of linear equations in two variables for class 10th CBSE. Let's start. In class 9th, we have studied that a linear equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0 and abc being real numbers always represent a straight line. It should be kept in mind that a and b both cannot be 0. As a and b are real, the numbers a square plus b square equal to 0 is not possible. We also know that the solution of linear equation is a pair of values, one for x and one for y. This pair of value is called ordered pair. Now let's consider an equation x plus 2y equal to 5. If we substitute x equal to 1, then y equal to 2. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Because if we substitute x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 in the equation, then left hand side equal to 1 plus 2 into 2 equal to 5, which is also right hand side. So we can say that x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is the solution of the given equation. And in ordered pair way, we write 1 and 2 is the solution of the given equation. Again, if we substitute x equal to 0, then we have y equal to 5 by 2. So 0 and 5 by 2 also solution of the given equation. This is another solution of the given equation. Thus, it may have many solutions. Corresponding to particular value of x, there will be a value of y. So, we can say that a linear equation in two variable does not have unique solution. उसके अलग अलग सॉल्यूशन होंगे एंड व्हेन जब हम इसका ग्राफ बनाएंगे तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? एक स्ट्रेट लाइन. So, thus corresponding to each solution of xy, the linear equation ax plus by plus c, there exists a point on a line representing the equation ax plus by and plus c equal to 0 and vice versa. Now, in this chapter, we shall deal with a pair of linear equations in two variables. यहाँ पर हम लीनियर इक्वेशन के पेयर्स के बारे में बात करेंगे. A pair of linear equation in two variables is said to be form a system of simultaneous linear equation in two variables. A pair of values of x and y satisfying each of the equation in the system and of two simultaneous equation in x and y is called a solution of a system. So let's see this example. Show that x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 is the solution of the pair of equation 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and 5x minus 2y equal to 3. The given pair of equations is 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and 5x minus 2y equal to 3. Now putting x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 in equations 1 and 2. This is our equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. We get 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 equal to 5 implies 5 equal to 5, which is true, and also 5 into 1 minus 2 into 1 equal to 3. This implies 3 equal to 3, which is also true. Therefore, x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 satisfies both the equations 1 and 2. Hence, we can say that x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 is the solution of the given pair of equations. Now, geometrical representation of different possibilities of solutions. Consider two linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. When we draw graph of each of two equations, we have the following three possibilities. First one, either the lines intersects or the lines are parallel or the lines coincide. Now we consider these possibilities one by one. When the two lines intersect, we can say the system of equations has a unique solution. The system of equations has unique solution. Second one, when the lines are parallel, we can say that there is no solution satisfying both the equations. Third one, when the lines coincide, we can say that there are infinite numbers of solutions. Now, example number second, solve the following pair of equation graphically. So, x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. First, we make table. The table of values of x and y for the equation. First equation is x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0, or we can say that y equal to minus x plus 2 upon 2 is, first we substitute x equal to minus 2, then we get y equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to minus 1, and when x equal to 2 we get y equal to minus 2. Now table of values of x and y for the equation 3x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0, or y equal to 2 minus 3x upon 2 is, when we substitute x equal to minus 2, we get y equal to 4, x equal to 0, y equal to 1, and x equal to 2, we get y equal to minus 2. अब इन दोनों का हम ग्राफ बनाएंगे इन पॉइंट्स को लेके. सो AB is a graph of equation x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. X plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0 and CD ये वाली लाइन ग्राफ है इक्वेशन x 3x प्लस 2y माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0 का। फर्स्ट वाले के लिए पॉइंट हैं -2 0 0 1 एंड 2 एंड -2। सो ये फर्स्ट वाली इक्वेशन के पॉइंट्स हैं और इससे हमने एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ए बी बनाई। नेक्स्ट जो सेकंड इक्वेशन हमारे पास है वो है 3x प्लस 2y माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0 और इसके पॉइंट्स हमारे पास आए -2 4 0 1 एंड 2 -2। ये लाइन सी डी आई एंड ए बी एंड सी डी intersect each other at the point 2 -2. AB and CD intersect each other at the point 2 and -2. Therefore, x equal to 2 and y equal to -2 is the solution. Hence, the equations have a unique solution, x equal to 2, x equal to 2 and y equal to -2. ये हमारे पास सॉल्यूशन आ गया x इक्वल टू 2 एंड y इक्वल टू -2। ये हमारा सॉल्यूशन है। ये दोनों लाइन इस पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं तो ये हमारा सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा। नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 शो ग्राफिकली दैट द पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन 9x प्लस in linear equations 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 and 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0 has infinitely many solutions. So first हम टेबल बनाएंगे, टेबल ऑफ वैल्यूज ऑफ x and y फॉर इक्वेशन फर्स्ट 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 और y equal to -9x minus 12 upon 3। x इक्वल टू जब -2 रखेंगे देन वी हैव y इक्वल टू 2, x इक्वल टू 0, y इक्वल टू -4, x इक्वल टू -4 एंड y इक्वल टू -4, x इक्वल टू 1, देन वी हैव y इक्वल टू -7। -7. Next one, the values of x and y for the equation. Second equation है हमारे पास 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0 और y equal to -18x minus 24 upon 6। इसके इसमें सबसे पहले x इक्वल टू हम रखेंगे -3, then we have y equal to 5, -1 and x equal to 2, then y equal to -10। ये हमारे पास पॉइंट्स आ गए। अब इन दोनों इक्वेशंस के लिए पॉइंट्स हमारे पास हैं, हम ग्राफ प्लॉट करेंगे। तो ये ग्राफ हमारे पास, अब हम ग्राफ प्लॉट करेंगे। दिस इज x डैश एंड y डैश। फर्स्ट वाली इक्वेशन के लिए पॉइंट्स हमारे पास हैं -2 2 -2 2 0 and 4, 0 and -4 and 1 and -7। ये वाले पॉइंट्स हमारे पास इक्वेशन 9x प्लस 3y प्लस 12 इक्वल टू 0 के लिए है। तो ए बी हमारे पास इसकी लाइन आ गई। नेक्स्ट सेकंड इक्वेशन के पॉइंट्स हैं -3 and 5, -3, 5, -1, -1 and 2 and -10। ये वाला हमारे पास इक्वेशन 18x प्लस 6y प्लस 24 इक्वल टू 0 इस इक्वेशन के पॉइंट्स आए। सो दिस इज सी लाइन C and D. Here we find the lines AB and CD coincide. So all the points of one line satisfy both the equations and there are infinite number of such points. Some of these are -2, 2, -1, -1, 0, -4 and 2, -10. Hence we can say, the given pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. Algebraical method of solving a pair of linear equations. We have learned how to solve the pair equation by drawing the graphs of equations. But graphical method is not applicable in all the cases, and moreover, it is not easy to read the graphs. If the coordinate of the point of intersection of line are not integral but rational, like 5 by 3, 7 by 17, like that, so it is very difficult to read. Thus, to obtain the exact values of the solutions, we find the solution by using algebraic method. In this section, we will study some methods of algebra for solving the pairs of equations. Now first method is solution by substitution. I will explain the method of substitution by taking some examples. Now example number 4th. Solve the following pairs of equations. 2x plus 3y equal to 13 and 4x minus y equal to 5. So let's solve. We are given 2x plus 3y equal to 13 and 4x minus y equal to 5. This is equation number 1 and sec 2. From equation number 2nd, y equal to 4x minus 5. Substituting this value of y, In equation number 1, we get 2x plus 3, 4 into 3 into 4x minus 5 equal to 13, or 2x plus 12x minus 15 equal to 13, or 14x equal to 13 plus 15 equal to 28, or x equal to 28 upon 14, and this is equal to 2. So here x equal to 2. Now substituting this value of x in equation number 3rd, we get y equal to 4 into 2 minus 5 equal to 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Hence, the required solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Now example number 5th. By method of substitution, solve the following pair of equations. The given pair of equations is root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0 and root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. So this is first equation and this one is second. Now from equation number 1, root 3y equal to minus root 2x, or y equal to minus root 2 upon root 3x. And this is equation number 3rd. Substituting the value of y in equation number 2nd, we get root 3x minus 8, root 8 minus root 8 into minus root 2 upon root 3x equal to 0, or root 3x plus 4 क्यों आएगा, माइनस माइनस तो प्लस हो जाएगा, रूट 8 रूट 2 इक्वल टू रूट 16 एंड रूट 16 इक्वल टू 4. So 4x upon root 3 equal to 0, or root 3 LCM लिया, 3x plus 4x equal to 0, or 7x upon root 3 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 0. Now substituting x equal to 0 in equation number 3rd, we get y equal to minus root 2 upon root 3 into 0 equal to 0. Hence, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 is the solution of the given pair of equations. Now Second method is elimination method. Second method is elimination method. And elimination method is sometimes it is more convenient than the substitution method. So let's see example number 6. Solve the pair of equation x plus y equal to 3 and 2x plus 5y equal to 12. So this is now we solve this example by elimination method. First equation is x plus the given equations. The given pair of equations is x plus y equal to 3 and this is equation number 1 and 2x plus 5y equal to 12. This is equation number 2. Now multiplying equation number 1 by 2 we get, हम इसमें क्या करते हैं कि किसी भी x का या किसी y का किसी का भी कोफिशिएंट दोनों इक्वेशन में सेम कर देते हैं. तो सेकंड इक्वेशन में x का कोफिशिएंट 2 है तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया ताकि दोनों इक्वेशंस में x सेम हो जाए. तो फर्स्ट हमारे पास इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 2x प्लस 2y इक्वल टू 6 and this is equation number 3. Now subtracting third equation from second we get two x plus 5y minus 2x plus 2y equal to 12 minus 6 or 3y equal to 6 or y equal to 2. Putting y equal to 2 in first equation we get x plus 2 equal to 3 or x equal to 1. Hence, the solution is x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Now next example number 7. Solve the pair of equations x plus y equal to a minus b and ax minus by equal to a square plus b square. ये वाला एग्जाम्पल बोर्ड में आ चुका है. The given pair of equations are x plus y equal to a minus b and ax minus by equal to a square plus b square. First equation and this one is second equation. Now multiplying equation number 1 by b. तो b कोफिशिएंट y का कोफिशिएंट सेम हो जाएंगे. b से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो bx प्लस by इक्वल टू ab minus b square and this is equation number 3. Now adding equation number 2nd and 3rd we get ax minus by plus bx plus by equal to a square plus b square plus ab minus b square, और बी वाई से बी वाई कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड ए प्लस बी एक्स इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर से बी स्क्वायर कैंसिल, ए कॉमन ले लेंगे तो ए प्लस बी एंड ए प्लस बी से ए प्लस बी भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा और वी गेट एक्स इक्वल टू ए. Now substituting x equal to a in equation number 1. X equal to a in equation number 1. We get a plus y equal to a minus b or y equal to minus b. Hence, the solution is x equal to a and y equal to minus b. Example number 8. Solve for x and y. 31x plus 23y equal to 39. 23x plus 31y equal to 15. इस केस में देखिए x का कोफिशेंट फर्स्ट वाली इक्वेशन में 31 है, वो y का कोफिशेंट है 31 सेकेंड इक्वेशन में, एंड फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में 23y का कोफिशेंट है और सेकेंड इक्वेशन में 23x का कोफिशेंट है. Given equation are 31x plus 23y equal to 39 and 23x plus 31y equal to 15. तो इसमें देखिए फर्स्ट और सेकंड इक्वेशन में कोफिशिएंट्स आपस में इंटरचेंज हो रहे हैं. जो x का कोफिशिएंट है वो y का कोफिशिएंट है सेकंड वाली इक्वेशन में, और जो y का कोफिशिएंट फर्स्ट वाली इक्वेशन में है वो सेकंड इक्वेशन में x का है. तो इसको थोड़ा सा हम अलग तरह से सॉल्व करेंगे. इस केस में हम क्या करते हैं कि पहले दोनों इक्वेशंस को ऐड करेंगे और सेकंड टाइम में दोनों इक्वेशंस को एक दूसरे में से फर्स्ट वाली इक्वेशन में से सेकंड वाली को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. तो इस तरह से हम इसको एक बार ऐड करेंगे और एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे जब कोफिशिएंट इंटरचेंज होते हैं तब. तो फर्स्ट एडिंग equation number 1 and 2, we get (54x plus 54y equal to 54) और 54 कॉमन x plus y equal to 54. 54 से 54 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, देन x plus y equal to 1, and this is equation number 3rd. Now subtracting equation number 2nd from first, we get 8x minus 8y equal to 24, और 8 कॉमन ले लिया, x minus y equal to 24 और x minus y equal to 3, and this is equation number 4th. Now adding equation number 3rd and 4th, we get 2x equal to 4 or x equal to 2. Now substituting x equal to 2 in equation number 3rd, we get 2 plus y equal to 1 or y equal to 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Hence, x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1 is the required solution. is the required solution. In this video, we have learnt first, two linear equations in the same two variables are called a pair of linear equations in two variables. Second, a pair of linear equations in two variables can be solved by graphical method. Second one is algebraical method, and we have learned two algebraical method, substitution method and elimination method. So I think you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you have any problem or doubt related to this topic, please comment below. I will try to respond to each one of your questions. I will be uploading next video soon. Once again, please like my video and hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.